Angel MacMicking.
And I'm Jeremy MacMicking. Yep, both moved down here for college and been here ever since.
10 years or so, right babe?
Favorite things to do, we go to the beach a lot. Of course now hang out at the pool a lot. Take the golf cart up the ocean front, surf. As much time as we get to be outside as possible, whatever that entails.
Yeah.
Well, we looked around online. We ended up seeing you guys on online, and we actually had a buddy of mine who knows you guys pretty well and knows a couple people that work for you as well as the owner as well. So we once did some research, found you guys, and after interviewing you guys, everything seemed to match up with exactly what we were looking for.
Yeah.
So, you know, we kind of had some basic ideas as far as what we wanted for the deck and the pool size. You know, once Ryan came here, he went over some design features and showed us what he thought would look really good, which was a little bit different than what we had initially.
The staircase, because I wanted like the open staircase feel, but I wasn't sure, you know, what was possible. And when he did that drawing, he gave us like a lot of ideas.
Yeah, so we got a 30 by 16 foot fiberglass freeform pool with a sun shelf. Sun shelf was a very important thing to us. Also, the heater was a very important thing to us as well, because I'm not sure she would have gotten in it if we wasn't for that. But you know, especially it's really nice, especially to extend pool season year round, and having the deck as well was, you know, a very important thing to us because we spend majority of our time outside when it's nice weather. You know, everything I could have hoped for in terms of the process, construction, the communication, everything from A to Z was very seamless. Anytime I had a question, just about any of the workers were able to answer anything I need. Specifically Ryan and Jason were on top of it, so that was perfect.
Yeah, and that was like one of the reasons we went with Solid, like, because since they could do everything, there was no miscommunication. And there was a couple times like I wanted to come outside and make little adjustments, and they just worked really well with me, and they didn't make me feel bad for asking and things like that.
Yeah, the maintenance has been super easy, a little bit easier than I even anticipated. Maintaining the filters is super simple. The vacuum has been unbelievable, and you know, everything has just been a heck of a lot easier than I ever imagined. So, oh yeah, love the robot.
Yeah.
We've had some friends and family over for our daughter's birthday this past weekend, and that was the first time we had people over, and you know, absolutely.
We're very popular now.
Yeah, amazing reactions from everybody and how amazing and stunning it looks.
It's also great for the kids because, you know, sometimes it's hard. So like now my kids' friends come here and like then they're all ready for naps, like by the time they're done. It's doing the job well.
100%. Like I said, it was a seamless process from beginning to end, which made everything just so much easier with as much as we work and not having to really stress when I'm at work about any of the, you know, different little things that went on, and it just made things really, really simple. Yes, I would recommend Solid Structures.